सहनावतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। विद्यानामनरस्य रूपमधिकं प्रच्छन्नगुप्तं धनं विद्या भोगकरी यशस्सुखकरी विद्या गुरूणां गुरुः विद्या बन्धुजनो विदेशगमने विद्या परा देवता विद्या राजसुपूजिता न तु धनं विद्या विहीनः पशुः। नमस्कार, स्वागतम्। अद्य वयम् 1994 कक्षां प्रारभामहे। स्टार्टिंग 91 क्लास। जानन्ति भवन्तः अस्माभिः सुभाषितानि पठ्यमानानि सन्ति। एतावत्पर्यन्तम् 21 संख्याकाः सुभाषिताः तत्र सुभाषितानि पठितानि। 21 सुभाषिताः तत्र पठितानि सन्ति। सुभाषितानि सुभाषित श्लोकाः अथवा सुभाषित पद्यानि। अद्य 22 श्लोकः श्रीनिवासः पठनीयः। यत्र नूतनः तत्र गतकक्षायां पूर्णतः कृतः खलु, अभ्यासः कृतः। तत्पूर्वं मया न टिप्पणी न दर्शिता गतकक्षायां। नोट वाज नॉट शोन इन द प्रीवियस क्लास, सो विल जस्ट पास ओवर टू पेज 152 श्रीनिवास कोश as usual. Kshantiः, क्षमा क्षान्तिः. This is a big printing here. The what you call font has been enlarged. No, but I find in my copy there is no gap there. Kshama kshantihi. Forgiving is kshanti. Ksham sahane, etc. Titiksha, titikshate tijak kshamayam. You can see that. Kavachaha. Kam vatam vanchati. This is the standard one given. We have discussed about it. Kan, kandan, banan, vanchayati. That which escapes the arrows. So that is kavacha, the armor. Urachadaha, uraschhadyate anena, chada achhadane. The chest is covered by this. Armor is worn on the chest, as we know. Kankatakaha, kankate kaki loudly, kam kandam banam katati. Again covers, shields the arrow. Therefore it is kankataka. Jagaraha, jagata kruhyate. Oh, javarti. There is a mistake, Srinivas. Jagarti. Why is typing mistake has come. Jagata gruhyate, jagarti, jagarayati, dhartaram is more meaningful. Keeps the wearer awake. Other two we have discussed. Jagru nindrakshaye, jagarti, jagrutaha, jagrati. In prathama purusha, all the three persons. Third person, singular, dual and plural. Krodha, krodhanam, krodhaha. Krudha, krode. Kopa also, koparam, kopaha. That is how it is explained. Then amarshaha, na marshanam, amarshaha. So with a naitat purusha it is that amarshaha, to bear. Roshaha, rushyati anena iti roshaha. Rusha himsayam, to hurt, to be annoyed. Pratighaha, pratihanti iti pratigaha. Hana himsa gatyoho. That which destroys the merit. So you know, when we get anger, rage, when we are under the spell of rage, it really, rage or krodha destroys the merit only, merit in the person. It destroys the viveka. Pratihananam pratigaha, pratihanyati anena va, jnatihi janati jnayate va, is known very well to be linked to the family. Sagotraha, samanam gotram kulamasya, bandhavaha, bandhumitrayoho, bandhuhu badhnati, bandhabandhane. So that is how he binds himself with our relation. Swasvajanaha, svana shabde, svanati, swa atmiyaschasav janascha. That is how it is explained. Analaha, ananti jivanti anena lokaha. People live because of this. Anapranane, to breathe. Aniti, anitaha, ananti. This is how it is explained. Then the last page. Krushanuhu krushyati tanukaroti swasambadham iti. Krusha tanukarane, to become, it makes you lean, it makes something lean, so emaciated. Pavakaha punati iti, pui pavane, to purify, purifier. Suhrut shovanam hrudayamasya, one who has got a good heart. Mitram medyati midasnehane, one who loves is a mitra, or one whose heart melts at the sight of his friend is called mitra. Sparshane, there is one definition also. Yatra dravatyantarangam sa sneha iti uchyati. Sparshane, sparshaloka, something there. In talking, in seeing, in meeting, where the heart melts, that is called friendship. Poem, don't recall. Anyway, Sakha Samanaha Khyayate Lokaihi, who is well known, a friend is one who is well known by the people. Vrida, Vridayati iti Vrida. Vrida Chodane Lajjayam, to be ashamed, to know and also to be ashamed. Mandaksham, Mandam, Aksham, Vag, Yatra. Mandaksham, whispering, talking very slowly because of shyness. Mandaksham also, eyes are almost closed here, not closed, almost closed here. Gently closed, it should have been there. Hrihi, Jikhreti iti. Hri Lajjayam, this is a verb. Jikhreti, Jikhritaha, Jikhra. Jikhriyati, a very different derivation is here. I have given the famous definition of Veda Vyasa of Hri also, the answer of Dharmaraja to a question, the jump is come, etc. Hrihi akarya nivartanam. Trapa is explained as trapate, trapa, trapush, trapush lajjayam, to be ashamed. Lajjanam lajja, laja vridane, lajate, etc. So these are the senses we have covered here, Srinivas. We go over to the poem. I think even this is Shardulam.
Yes.
Yeah.
Dakshinyam
Jane daya parijane Shatyam sada durjane Pritis sadhujane nayo nrupajane Vidvajjane charjavam Shauryam shatrujane kshama gurujane Narijane dhrushtata Ye chaivam purushaha kalasu Teshveva lokasthiti. We are not getting used to that. New poems. Although the meter is same. Padachedam. Dakshinyam swajane daya parijane shatyam sada durjane pritihi sadhujane nayaha nrupajane vidvajjane cha arjavam shauryam shatrujane kshama gurujane narijane dhrushtata ye cha evam purushaha kalasu kushalaha teshu eva lokasthitihi. Padaparichayam. Dakshinyam. Dakshinyam swajane daya parijane shatyam sada durjane pritihi sadhujane nayaha nrupajane vidvajjane chavyam arjavam shauryam shatrujane kshama gurujane dhrushtata akaranta. Akaranta strilinga. Oh, Narijane. Dhrushtata. Ye yad dakaranta.
बहुवचन सर्वनाम
च अव्ययम् एवम् अव्ययम् पुरुषाः
आकारान्त पुंलिंग प्रथम बहुवचन
कलासु
आकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग सप्तमी बहुवचन
कुशलाः
आकारान्त पुंलिंग प्रथम बहुवचन
तेषु
तद्विषयः दकारान्त पुंलिंग सप्तमी बहुवचन सर्वनाम
तस्य तयोः तेषु एव अव्ययम् लोकस्थितिः
आकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग प्रथम एकवचन समस्त पदम्
लोकस्थितिः द स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ द वर्ल्ड लोकस्य स्थितिः लोकस्थितिः पदपरिचय एवं कृतः आकांक्षां तावत् पश्यामः विल सी द आकांक्षा भवति becomes is भवति means is or becomes का भवति what becomes what is लोकस्थितिः भवति the stability of the world is भवति नाम अस्ति इति अत्र लोकस्थितिः केषु भवति on whom does the stability of the world is there
लोकस्थितिः तेषु भवति
the stability of the world is on them तेषु तेषु इति तत् दकारात् सर्वनाम शब्दस्य सप्तमी बहुवचने अस्ति तेषु भवति is the stability of the world is on them dependent on them ते के भवति ते के भवन्ति who are now here this bhavanti which is given in brackets how do you understand ते के भवन्ति भवन्ति नाम सन्ति who they are ते they के who भवन्ति are that is how you should understand this भवन्ति नाम अत्र सन्ति इति ते के सन्ति ते के भवन्ति who are they
ये पुरुषाः भवन्ति ते
the answer is ये पुरुषाः भवन्ति ते those who are men those ये पुरुषाः those men are there those men who are there they are supposed to be there ते पुरुषाः कीदृशाः those people are like what
ते च पुरुषाः एवं कुशलाः भवन्ति
ते च पुरुषाः those and those people एवं कुशलाः भवन्ति कुशलाः means experts निपुणाः कुशलाः नाम निपुणाः भवन्ति those and those people who are experts ते च पुरुषाः एवं कासु कुशलाः and those people are experts in what
ते च पुरुषाः एवं कलासु कुशलाः
ते च पुरुषाः एवं कलासु कुशलाः those are the people who are experts in the fine arts kalasu in the arts एतादृशानां पुरुषाणां दाक्षिण्यं कस्मिन् भवति the dakshinyam means skill of such people is where to be found
एतादृशानां पुरुषाणां दाक्षिण्यं स्वजने भवति
the skill of such people is found in their own people among their own people swajane bhavati skill or we called then tesham daya kasmin bhavati their daya kindness is on whom
तेषां शाट्यं सदा दुर्जन
no
तेषां दया परिजने भवति
their kindness is towards the parijana parijana not parajana there is a patantara also I did not tell you parijane is here in this parajana is also there parijana means sevaka jana parajana means itara jana अन्ये पुरुषाः अन्येषु इति अत्र परिजन इति पाठः स्वीकृतः अस्मिन् श्लोके परन्तु परजने इति अपि अस्ति तत्र so what is this tesham daya parijane bhavati their kindness is towards their servants tesham shatyam kada kasmin bhavati their cunningness is on whom and when and on whom their cunningness
तेषां शाट्यं सदा दुर्जने भवति
their cunningness is always towards the wicked people प्रीतिः कस्मिन् भवति their affection is towards whom
प्रीतिः साधुजने भवति
their affection is towards the virtuous people sadhujana नयः कस्मिन् भवति Nayah kasmin bhavati. Their understood. Tesham nayah. Their policy is towards whom?
नयः नृपजने भवति.
Their policy is towards the kings. Arjavam cha kasmin bhavati. Arjavam straightforwardness. Ruju.
आर्जवं च विद्वज्जने भवति.
Arjavam straightforwardness, humility also. Angla bhashayam humility api vaktum shakti. Arjavam cha vidvajjane bhavati. Their humility is towards the learned people. Vidvajjane bhavati tesham. Shauryam kasmin bhavati. Their what do you call, bravery is towards whom?
शौर्यं शत्रुजने भवति.
Their bravery is towards the enemies. Kshama kasmin bhavati. Towards whom does the patience lie? Their patience lie towards.
क्षमा गुरुजने भवति.
Kshama gurujane bhavati. Their patience is towards the elderly people. Elderly people. Dhrushtata kasmin bhavati. There, everywhere you have to understand their tesham. Tesham dhrushtata kasmin bhavati. Where does their, what do you call, shrewdness, dhrushtata, lie? Srinivas, read. Dhrushtata.
नारीजने भवति.
Their shrewdness is towards the women. So let us see this. Akanksha samapta idanim anvayartha pata.
स्वजने दाक्षिण्यं परिजने दया दुर्जने सदा शाट्यं साधुजने प्रीतिः. I'll pass it.
Yeah. Swajane towards one's own people, dakshinyam. That is courtesy. Dakshinyam, charity, courtesy. Parijane daya, kindness towards the sevaka jana, one's own people. Durjane sada shatyam. Shatyam, cunningness always towards the wicked people. Sadhujane pritihi, love and affection towards the virtuous people.
नृपजने नयः विद्वज्जने च आर्जवं शत्रुजने शौर्यं.
So, Nrupajane Nayaha, have a policy towards the kings. Vidvajane cha arjavam, humility, being straight towards the learned people. Shatrujane shauryam, bravery towards the enemies.
गुरुजने क्षमा नारीजने दृष्टता इति एवं
Vidhasu, kalasu.
ये च पुरुषाः कुशलाः तेषु एव लोकस्थितिः अस्ति.
So, what Bhartrihari opines here, people, those who adopt these methods, these arts, living is an art for that matter, Srinivas. Living itself is an art. We all should know how to live in the society artfully, artistically, you can say. Live artistically. And how to deal with several people, Bhartrihari is giving an outline here. How to deal with the different people are there in society. You see, if you are good, it is not enough. And Bhartrihari elsewhere says that poem is not there. I love that. Very subtle threat he shows. A virtuous, a sadhu, a good gentleman is more threatened, more at risk than a villain, than a bad man in society. A villain or a bad man, a wicked man is more safer than a good man. And therefore a good person, a sadhu, should be all the time on his defense. And he gives a beautiful poem there. Mrugamina sajjananam trunajala santosha vihita vrittinam lubdhaka divara pishunaha nishkarana vairino jagati, he says. That poem is not covered in our 50 slokas. He is giving an alarm to the sajjanas. Mrugamina sajjananam truna jala santosha vihita vrittinam. He says Mruga. First he takes the example of the deer. Meena, fish. Sajjana. These three things are, though it is not related here, but because we are talking about the same writer. Mrugamina sajjananam truna jala santosha vihita vrittinam. On what do they live? Mruga lives, the animals, the deer live on truna. Fishes, Meenaha, जलेन जीवन्ति, मृगाः तृणैः जीवन्ति, तृणखादनेन जीवन्ति, जले जीवन्ति मीनाः। सज्जनाः कथं वा जीवन्ति? मृगमीनसज्जनानां, सज्जनानां जीवनवृत्तिः कथं वा भवति? सन्तोषेण जीवति। सज्जनः खादति, परन्तु तस्य जीवनवृत्तिकारणं भवति सन्तोषः, सन्तोषेण जीवति सज्जनः। But these three innocent people listed here, Mruga, Meena, Sajjana, are inviting trouble for themselves because they are very good. And you see the beautiful thing said in this poem, Trunajala Santosha Vihita Vrittinam Nishkarana Vairino Jagati Asmin Jagati Etesham Trayanam Jivanam Nishkarana Vairinaha Santi. There are causeless, reasonless enemies in this world. How you may say? See, deer live eating the grass happily. Happiness is common to all here. Deer live happily eating the grass. And who has created the grass? Is grass created by man or nature? Nature. But still, Lubdaka, the hunters, are after the deer for their own greed. Hunters are always wanting to hunt the deer. The deer which lives on a God-gifted food, which is abundantly, grass is abundantly available in the world, on the planet Earth. Okay, you take the next example, Mruga Meena. How are the fishes living? Katam va mrugaha meenaha jivanti, jale jivanti. Jale yatkinchit labhyate tat khaditva meenaha santoshena jivanti tatra. Parantu tatra dhivaraha etan griknanti. But they are also caught after, they are pursued, they are chased by the dhivara, the fishermen. What harm did the fish do to the fishermen? Has the fisherman created water? Has he done anything to make the fish live? But he is Nishkarana Vairi. There is no reason why he should be antagonistic to fish. He catches fish for his own lobha. Then Sajjana. How is the Sajjana living? Santoshena. Sajjanaha sarvepi santoshena jivanti. Santoshaha tesham jivana tatra adharaha bhavati. Even that, when a Sajjana is living with happiness, Durjana cannot see his happiness. A Durjana cannot see him being happy, living happily. Try to understand here concept. As a Sajjana, he cannot be, a Durjana cannot tolerate the happiness enjoyed by the Sajjana. The fishermen cannot see happily living fish. The hunters cannot see happily living the deer. And these three people are, without any reason, they are enemies to these three. So in nature we find what we call, Panchatantra also speaks of this. There are two types of enemies, Srinivas. One is called Sahaja Vairi, another is Krutrima Vairi. Krutrima Vairam is different, Sahaja Vairam is different. Now these fellows who are listed here, Lubdhaka, Dhivara, Pishuna, and who is the enemy of the Sajjana? Pishuna. Lubdhaka is a hunter. Dhivara is a fisherman. Pishunaha means a telltale fellow who, in any office organization, there is a good man working. So there is always a fellow who is after him. He goes and, spreads all the rumors about him. Telltaling. Pishunaha is a telltale. One who spoils his reputation by telling all wrong things, spreads rumors. Because he is a good man. He can't see him being happy, so he does this kind of thing. Nishkarana Vairi. So that is how, now my point is, try to understand how a good man is envied in society. And therefore a good man has to be on the guard. My one more interpretation, which I only give generally when I teach this poem, Srinivas, listen. All the three factors which are given by Bhartrihari, Mruga, Meena, Sajjana, giving that Truna, Jala, Santosha, are not manufactured by any human being. Nobody manufactures grass, nobody manufactures water, nobody manufactures Santosha. But still, those people who are living on these are envied and jealous, and they are hunted, they are not allowed to live happily by these three people. So, be careful, good men. There is always an enemy attached to you. That is the suggestion here. Vyangyartha is there. Oh, if you are a good man, be alert. You are always hackable. you can be hacked. If you are good, you are prone to be attacked. Understand, Srinivas? In Chanakya Niti also we have weakness is provocation. If you are weak, you see your own example. Why all this, Srinivas? If your body is weak, what happens? If you are physically weak, you will be invaded by diseases. Your own body becomes your enemy when you are physically weak. So weakness is not advised. So if you are a good man, then you have got to be more strong, more alert, because there is a bad man attached to you. That is what. So we come here, Srinivas. I have given extensive explanation to you.
Gurujane Kshama Narijane Drishtata iti.
Yeah, Gurujane Kshama. Kshama is patience towards the elderly people. Nari Jane Drishtata. Here Drishtata has two senses. One is shrewdness. You should behave very shrewdly with regard to women. Shrewd. You should be very shrewd. Because they are also equally shrewd, women. So boldly. You should be very bold when it comes to dealing with women. That is what. Evam vidasu, like this. Kalasu. These are all kalas. Etaha sarvaha api atra kalaha iti katyante. Etasu kalasu ye purushaha nipunaha bhavanti athava atra kalasu kushalaha nama nipunaha bhavanti teshu purusheshu eva lokastitihi lokasya asya lokasya stitihi vidyate iti. The dependence, the stability of the world, or world means a society, you can say. The stability of the society depends on such people who are experts in these arts. You should know, that is what I said in the beginning. Living is an art, Srinivas. There is one guru also, Indian guru. Art of living. Sri Sri, I think, Ravi Shankar. So art of living, you should know the art of living, and you should get these kalas. You should have access to these kalas. How to deal with different people, differently. That is what this sloka says. Next, Padartha, Srinivas. Svajane,
Atmiya Varge,
towards one's own people. Dakshinyam,
Udara Swabhava,
generosity, yes, Anukulata. Parijane.
Paricharaka Varge.
So we take that reading also. Parijane, Parajane. See the difference in the meaning. Parijane means Sevakajane, Parajane, Itarajane. If you take both the meanings, then you should have daya. So have daya, kindness towards your own servants and also to others. Isn't it, Srinivas? Daya towards others also. Sada, always.
Daya,
Krupa. Durjane, Khale. Duste, Sada,
Sarvada,
Shatyam,
Shatata,
Shatata, not Shatata. Kutilata. Sadhujane, Sajjane. Preetihi. Nrupajane, Raj. Nayaha, Niti. Vidvajjane, Cha apicha. Arjavam, Sarlata. Sharlata. Shatrujane, Shauryam,
पौरुषम
Gurujane.
पूज्येषु गुरुषु.
So Gurujane here refers to Pujyeshu, Janeshu, Gurushu. Kshama, Sahana,
सहनशीलता
Narijane,
स्त्रीवर्गे
Strinam Vishaye, Dhristata, Pragalbhyam, Pragalbata. That is boldness. You should be bold in dealing matters with women. Yecha, yehi, still there. Purushaha,
नराः
evam,
एतादृशं
kalasu,
पूर्वोक्तासु कलासु
kushalaha,
निपुणाः
teshu eva,
तेषु मनुष्येषु एव
teshu purusheshu eva, otherwise lokastitihi.
लोकमर्यादा अस्ति.
So lokamaryada asti vartati. So the stability of the world is on such people only, those who are able to imbibe these qualities or practice these kalas. Bhavartham Srinivas.
बन्धुवर्गे औदार्यम् आनुकूल्यं वा भृत्यवर्गे
कृपा.
दुर्जने शाठ्यं सज्जने प्रीतिभावः.
Okay. Bandhu varge audaryam, generosity towards one's own relations. Anukulyam va, or favorable, favoritism. Anukulyam is favoritism. Now this does not mean, Srinivas, nepotism. Bhartrihari is not advocating nepotism. What we find in society, nepotism. You know nepotism? Nepotism is favoring one's own people. If you favor your own people, people of your village, people of your region, people of your caste, etc., that is nepotism. Bhartrihari is not advocating nepotism here. He says, you be good to your own people. We should not be misguided here by the word anukulyam. Anukulyam being favorable. So, be good. Bhrutya varge krupa. Be kind to the servants. Don't be very harsh. And likewise, be kind to others. Bhrutya varge. If you take the other reading, we have taken parajane, itarajane. Durjane shathyam. But as far as durjane is concerned, you should be learning the tactic of, skill of being very cunning. Be cunning with the, the rogues. There is no other go. Sajjane priti bhava. But towards a gentleman, you should have very nice affection. You should behave affectionately towards the. Yeah.
सज्जने प्रीतिभावः नृपेषु नीतिः विद्वज्जनेषु सरलत्वं शत्रौ पराक्रमः पूज्य गुरुजने क्षमा.
Yeah. So, where I Durjane, Sajjane Priti Bhavaha. Affection towards the nice people, gentlemen. Nrupeshu Niti. And you should have your own nice policy towards it. You should know how to behave towards the kings. That policy you should know. You can't behave as you like when it comes to behavior with the kings. That is Niti. Vidvajjaneshu Sarlatvam. And you should be very simple, and when you deal with learned people, you should be very humble. Humility should be there. Shatrau Parakram. When it comes to deal with an enemy, there should be always Parakrama. There should be always the valor. You should not shy away from showing your valor. Pujya Gurujane Kshama. And to the respectable elders, always adopt the policy of Kshama. Be very tolerant when you are dealing with the elderly people. Be tolerant. Strishu Pragalvyam. Did you read this?
No. स्त्रीषु प्रागल्भ्यम् एतासु कलासु ये जनाः कुशलाः तेषु एव लोकमर्यादा प्रवर्तते.
Strishu Pragalvyam. Pragalbha. So, being shrewd and bold towards women. Etasu kalasu. In these arts, ye janaha kushalaha. Those people who are adepts, experts. Teshu eva. On them only. Loka Maryada. Loka Maryada means Loka Sthitihi. लोकस्थितिः प्रवर्तते वर्तमान अस्ति इति. So that is how now we have to learn things like this only. So Bhartrhari is a very practical man actually. I am telling you, Bhartrhari is really practical. You can take him at the very face value. Whatever he says should be taken. I feel that way. No English okay. We go to Nidarshana. Sandhayaha santi pancha. Vidvat jane. Vidvat jastva. Charjavam. Chaiva. Cha. Vriddhisanti. Kushalastheshu. Teshveva. Insandi. Samasaha pancha. Nrupajane. Nrupaha cha. Visheshana purvapada karmadharaya samasaha tasmin on him. Tasmin means towards that. Now when we take Saptami, direction also shown. Like Adhikarana. Adhikarana is Saptami, isn't it? Location, direction. So you don't literally translate on a king.
Towards.
Yeah, that is what. On a king, in a king, over a king, you don't fit them. These words don't fit there. So towards, as far as a king is concerned, like that. Vidvajjane, Vidvancha. Again, Purvapada. So towards that educated person, learned. Guru Jane. Asau. Again same. Tasmin. Nari Jane. Lokasthiti. This is Shashti. Lokasya Sthitihi. Shukrudantaha Santi. Daya. Daya iti. Pritihi. Preeng. Pre dhatu. Tin. Preenati. Preenita. Preenata. Preenati. Preenanti. That is how it goes. Preen dhatu. Nayaha. Ni. Ach. Kshama. Kshamushiti dhatu sahane. That is the meaning. Kshamu dhatu sahane. Ang is there, top. Kshama. Kushalaha. La is dhatu. Kusha is not dhatu. Ka is suffix. What is given in the bracket there? Kusham lati iti kushalaha. Kusha is also explained. Kusham is explained as kutsitam. Low. Very low. Kutsitam. Lati. That is what. Kusham means kutsitam shyati. Shyati iti. Kushalam. There is one dhatu sinva. Sho tanu karani. Sho. Not English show. Shankara show. Sho tanu karani. It becomes shyati. Means it cuts down, emaciates. Tanu karane, lessens. So, ku is explained as kutsitam, any bad thing. Shyati, it removes. It cuts down, but it makes it thin. Literally, it making, tanu karana means making thin. Tanu karana, making thin. So, kutsitam shyati iti kusham. Kusham lati iti kushala. So, how do you take kusham lati iti means takes away the meanness in you. What is kushala? Kushala also we use in the sense of well-being, isn't it? Well-being. Kusham lati iti, that which it takes away the bad things from you. That means the disease from you. Therefore you are kushali. Kushalam va visena. Aham kushali, bhavan kushali va. Kushalam nama kusham kutsitam lati tatra. Lati nama duri karoti. La adane dane cha. La iti dhatu asti. Taking and giving also. La means not our law, English law. This is Adadigana law. Lati, lataha, lanti. Lati, lataha, lanti. Kusham lati. That which brings about, takes away. That which takes away the bad things in you and makes you healthy. So that is how Kushala Shabda is to be understood. Understand? Next. Now, but here, in what sense it is used? Kushalaha, Nishnataha, means those who have experts in Kushala Shabda is Kushala. Otherwise, it is also used in well-being, Kushalam. Yes, Sthitihi, Stha iti dhatuhu, Tinnanta. Taditanta Chatushtayam, Dakshinyam, Dakshina Bhavarte, Bhave, Shan, Dakshinayaha Bhava, Dakshinyam. Shathyam, Shata iti dhatuhu. Shai, Shatasya Bhavaha. In all bhavartas are neuter nouns, abstract nouns. What do we say? Abstract nouns. See, Dakshinyam is generosity. This is abstract. So bhavartha. Shatyam is generosity, that bhava. Shauryam, Shura iti shabda bhavarte. Shai, Shurasya bhavaha, Shauryam. Arjavam, Ruju plus Ana, Rujoho bhavaha, Arjavam. It has come earlier also. Chandas is same. Shardula Vikreditam. Koshaha. Now we go to the Kosha. Srinivas. Read.
Dakshinyam. Dakshine Saralodaro.
First we will see Dakshine Saralodaro. Dakshina. Dakshinyam means Dakshina. Dakshine means Dakshate. Daksha Vruddhau Shigrarthi cha. To grow. Vruddhau means to grow, to satisfy, to please. That is Dakshinyam. Dakshinyam is liberality, generosity. You please somebody by giving something. That is Dakshina. As we say, Dakshina is, in our Telugu also, Dakshina means what? Show courtesy and give something, na? So, Dakshate, Daksha, Vruddhau, Shigrarthi cha. That is explained. Then Sarala, only two words are there. Sarala Udarau, Sarala Udarau, Saralaha, we take Sarati, Sarati Srugatau, Alach is there, Unadi Saralaha, Puti Kaste Devadaru. This Sarala is also a kind of a sort of pine wood, Srinivas. Sarala, Saraladrumanam, Kalidas also refers that. Sarala is also kind of tree. It is sometimes identified with Devadaru Vriksha, which grows abundantly in Kashmir area. This Puti Kasta, that is Devadaru, a sort of pine wood, Pine, pine wood. So that is Sarla. Then we have Nathodara Avakrayos Trishu Medini. Okay, then we come to there are two more words here. Udara Shabda is coming. What is the next one? Udara. Sarla, I have explained, na?
Yes.
Sru Gatau Alach. Devadaru Sarala. So, okay, leave this. Nata now. Nata is not there. Udaraha. Udaryate. Ru is the dhatu. Gati prapanayoho. To get to Ruchati. Ru dhatu is there, na? Ruchati. Brahma nirvanam ruchati. Ru gatau. Gati prapanayoho. To get. Obtaining. So udaraha is explained. Udaryate. Udaryate. What is obtained? What is obtained? That means when somebody gives, you get it. So what is obtained by you because of somebody's udarata. So udaraha, liberality. Then over. So dakshina, then we go to swajanaha.
Sagotra bandhava jnati bandhu swasvajanaha samaha.
I think this has already been covered.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll skip that. Shatyam, we'll go to Shatyam. Shataha. Shatyam is cunningness. Shataha is to be. Shata, yeah, you can read that. Nikruto anrujuhu shataha. These three words. Nikruto anrujuhu shataha. First we will say shataha. Shatati iti shataha. Shatati iti shataha. Shata kaitavi. To cheat. Shut up means to not shut up. It sounds like shut up. Shata kaitave. Shatati iti shataha. One who cheats is a cheat, isn't it? So that is none. Then you get what is the next word? Nikruto. Wait a minute, where is missing? You're not looking to this or what? Only Shata I have covered. Nikruto anrujuhu. Shataha. Nikruto. Yeah, it is explained, Srinivas. Nikrutaha, nikruntati. Beautifully explained. Nikrunta to cut. Nikruntati, kruti chedani. Nikruntati means he cuts all the goodness in you. You do some goodness, favor to a Shata. Shata only is. And he simply, eliminates all your goodness. He is a Krutagna. In other words, Krutam gnanti, Krutam hanti iti Krutagnaha. Whatever good you do, he simply wipes it out. There is one poem. Jalalekeva nichanam yat krutam tad vinashyati. What is the other way? See, the contrast is beautifully brought out in this small poem. Silalekeva sadhunam yat krutam tat tishtati. Silalekeva tishtati. It is like writing on the rock. Whatever you do whatever good you do to the good people, yat kinchit sadhunam vishaye kriyate tad shilasu likitam eva tishtati sada. Sarvakalam tishtati. It stays as if writing on the wall. And the contrasting is Jalalekeva nichanam yat krutam tad vinashyati. Whatever you do to the nicha, it is like writing in waters. What more can be there? Silalekeva sadhunam yat krutam tat. Maybe I am losing that one part. Silalekeva sadhunam yat krutam tat tishtati. But meter may not be correct. Yat krutam tat tishtati. One something I am not getting. My second line is Jalalekeva nichanam yat krutam tad vinashyati. First, second pada, something is missing. Shilalekeva sadhunam yat krutam tat tishtati, I said, na? But meter is not coming na completely. There is one, we will fill up that. Jalalekeva nichanam yat krutam tad vinashyati. So it is like writing in waters, whatever you do to the nicha. So same thing here. Nikrutaha means nikruntati. Krunta, that chedane, kartane. So whatever you do, that fellow simply obliterates. We say in English, obliterating. He simply wipes it out. What have you done, man, to me? He will say tomorrow. However great favor you may do to such person, he will not oblige nor remember that. So the such fellow is a nikrutaha, who is a sheta otherwise. Then another one, anrujuhu, Srinivas, anrujuhu. Ruju viruddha, very simply put, ruju viruddha is against the straightforward person. He is a rogue, therefore he is against the ruju, straightforward man. Ruju viruddha, anruju. You can say na rujuhu, anrujuhu. That is how these three words showing cunning people are explained. And finally, daya.
Krupa daya anukampa sya.
Dayanti rakshanti anaya iti daya. Dayanti rakshanti anaya iti. So, de rakshane, there is one dhatu. Dhatu is there. De rakshane. Dayante rakshante anaya. People are protected because of this. The moment the opposite person, offending person gets daya over you, then you are saved. Understand? If the offending person is has some daya in him, if the sentiment called daya is born in his mind, the moment it is born, you are saved. If daya is not there, see what is happening in the radicalization, what is going on in the extremism all over the world. These fellows have been trained to be ruthless, kindless. And when they are undertaking this attack on the innocent people, they have no daya. Now I am linking this to that. What is daya? That by which you are saved. It is a sentiment, human feeling it is. You feel for your fellow brothers. Compassion. So if that is so, the extremists, these so-called these extremists, who have been thoroughly trained not to have daya, that daya has been squeezed out of their hearts and minds, and they are becoming like that. So that is how it is. Dayante rakshyanti anaya iti daya. They are protected because of this human feeling. It's a human. So what is the next? Krupa?
Krupa.
Krupanam krupa. Being kind is krupa. Krupanam is there, krupa. Or krupayante anaya iti krupa. Same way it is. Krupayante, krupa dhatu is there. Krupayante anaya. They are shown kindness by this. You are shown. They are shown. So you krupayate is there. Krupa krupayam is dhatu is there. Then anukampa is there. Anukampa. Same way. It's anukampate anaya. Iti anukampa. Kapi kinchit chalane. Anukampa means, anu means little. Kampa means move. Kinchit chalane. Kampa. Dhatu is there. Kapi dhatu is there. Kapi kinchit chalane. You move a little. If your mind is moved a little, that is anukampa. See the sound and the meaning going together here. Kampa to move. Chalana. Anukampa, moving little. If your mind, if the extremist mind is little moved, let us take the same example, then the fellow, other person is saved. Isn't it? The moment the anukampa, daya, Srinivas, sets in the mind, he cannot act. That is what I said. This has been completely extracted from their minds, from their system. There is no softness kept anymore. So kapi kinchit chalane iti anukampate anaya. With this they are shown some compassion. So that is called anukampa. That's all. Krupa, daya, anukampa we have seen. These notes we'll see in the next class. Saptami, that is what we have seen. Nrupajane, Vidvajane. Maybe The book wants to remind you, don't translate like I said, on king, on etc. literally putting the preposition, but two words. Abhyasaha dvadashamaha dvavimshati vimshaha आगामिनी कक्षायां पश्यामः शुभं भूयात्।